Hello and welcome. Let's experience how meviy helps engineers regain control of their workflow by issuing part numbers in just about a minute. Step 1. Accessing meviy. This is the MISUMI web catalog. Scroll down and click on the meviy button, or simply search for meviy online. Click the orange Login button. Step 2. Login. All you need is the free MISUMI login data. Sign up today and start quoting. meviy is ready when you are, anytime, anywhere. Step 3. Upload your CAD. Once logged in, you'll see the main meviy interface. Simply upload your 3D CAD data. We've prepared 4 parts here. Drag and drop them into the 3D viewer, and meviy instantly recognizes their shapes. Step 4. Manufacturability check. Behind the scenes, meviy is evaluating manufacturability. No waiting days for a quote or a supplier's feedback. All 4 parts are loaded. A blue button means they're good to go. Click Next to configure further details, with full visibility from the start. Step 5. Set your specs. On the left, set your material, surface treatment and quantity. Choose from steel, aluminium, stainless steel or resin. We'll go with EN 1.0038 equiv, no surface treatment and 2 units. On the right, interact just like you would in CAD. Double-click dimensions to add tolerances. Click holes to switch between straight, tapped or insert. Changes update in real time. No delays, no back and forth. Step 6. Instant quote. Click the yellow button and watch closely. meviy generates your quote, delivery date and part number in an instant. No more chasing suppliers. No more uncertainty. Everything you need right when you need it. Use the part number just like any item in the MISUMI catalog. Designers add it to the parts list and procurement can order it straight away. Step 7. Cost-saving tip. Want to save costs without compromising deadlines? Select a later delivery date. Discounts of up to 75% from available. meviy gives you options, not obstacles. Step 8. What if it can't be made? What happens if a part can't be manufactured? Let's upload an example. A red button appears. This one isn't feasible. Click Next to see the reason. In this case, the part interferes with the die during bending. A simulation illustrates the issue. Fix it in your CAD, re-upload and proceed. No delays, no confusion. Step 9. Still need a drawing? Do you need a 2D drawing for review or documentation? Add additional dimensions and export it as an image. To do this, click on Simple 2D Drawing. No extra tools, no extra effort. meviy frees engineers from the constraints of traditional workflows.